Okay, my name is Ushoshi Bhattacharya, and currently I have completed my graduation last semester examination. I am doing the Accounts and Finance Honors under Calcutta University, and thereafter I have a long plan for the higher studies, like master's program and all. And I live in Kolkata. My hobbies are listening to music and cooking sometimes. Mm, and yes, that's
Okay. So yeah, can you tell me three qualities about you?
sorry.
Three qualities about you. Three
Three.
qualities.
Okay, three qualities about me that if I commit someone for anything else, so I will do it by hook and crook. I just say my words for the, like, even if anything is end, I'll just do this work if I committed someone to do something. And I want to communicate with people, so that's why I want to do the sales internship or marketing for further. So I just love to communicate with different religion and different kind of people, and even that helps me a lot to know them. And the number three is I just love to gather knowledge, more and more knowledge, no matter if I ever failed in any exam or any interview. I just want to learn anything from that. I just want to learn my mistakes and overcome it. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. So do you know who is the founder of Byju's?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know the year of foundation when Byju's founded? Okay, tell me the basic difference of sales and marketing. Means the difference between sales and marketing. What is the basic difference?
Okay. So can I just explain by giving some examples?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Marketing is to, like, to advertise or to promote anything, promote any product for selling purposes. And sales mean the direct selling channel. That is the difference.
Okay.
I mean,
So
I am
if
selling a product, that is a sales. And for selling the product, what kind of promotion or advertisement I am giving, that is the marketing.
so if I offer you a job in marketing sector, are you willing to do that? Will you do that job?
Yes, ma'am, because I'm just a fresher. So I just want to learn, and I just want to gather some experience. And I know that for the freshers, many private companies just, they guided a lot. So I will definitely shall
Okay, so
try
you
to do this.
will okay. So you will have no problem in joining the marketing sector.
No.
Okay. So then why sales? Why you want to go for sales if you are interested in marketing sector? Then you can
Actually,
have
my field is accountant finance honors, and regarding these days we have learned under CBCS system. So I learned the marketing, the sales, the economics, the maths, the statistics, the accounts, the finance, everything, even the costing and taxation also. So I have my all interest and dedication in the commerce field. So that's why.
okay. So now we'll be having some scenario-based question. Okay. So where you'll have to treat me like a customer. So you'll be the salesperson and I'll be your customer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So my first question to you is: you have to sell a fish to a Brahmin family. So you can start.
A fish to a Brahmin family.
Yeah. Yeah. So I have visited your shop. Okay, you are the
Okay.
owner of the shop. So you'll have to sell me a fish, and I'm Brahmin. Okay. So you can start.
Okay. Okay, fine. But ma'am, Brahmins also eat fish. nowadays.
My question is to you is you have to convince me to buy the fish.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you are the salesperson. You are the owner of the shop, and I have just visited your shop. Okay.
Okay. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to my fish shop. And ma'am, which fish are you willing to buy for?
See, I have no any interest in fish. Just come to your shop because I wanted to buy something else. But now I have seen a lot of fish, so I am thinking to give the fish to my friend. One of my friend. Actually, we don't eat fish. So, what kind of fish are there in your shop? Can you explain and what are the advantages? Because yeah, I can't take it for the for eating and also I'll have to gift it. So can you explain me what are the fish you have and prices and everything?
Yes, ma'am. We have a lot of fishes like the rohu and the silver crumb, and these are small fishes, and you can buy anything from it. But ma'am, you should try at least for once, because it's amazing, and Bengalis can cook a lot of dishes, spicy and tasty food
I'm Brahmin.
by fishes.
I'm Brahmin. I can't eat fish. It's not acceptable at all.
Um,
So is there any fish which I can give to my friend, or is there any fish which has some
yes,
advantage so
yes,
that yeah, what I
yes, ma'am.
want to know. Okay.
We have rohu that we can prepare it for. You can prepare for that dahi fish, or that fish fry, anything else. So we have the rohu right now, and it's even you can eat it by regular basis. It's a daily basis fish. um, and its price starts from per kg 350 rupees, ma'am.
Okay, so no offer, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So my next question to you is you have to sell an old newspaper to me. So I have visited your shop to buy a new newspaper. So you'll have to convince me to buy an old newspaper.
Okay. Okay. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hi, ma'am. How can I help you?
Yeah, I have. I want to buy a new newspaper where because I need it for current affairs. So can you show me the new newspaper of today?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I can show you. But you are needing this for the any kind of knowledge?
Yeah, for competitive exams, my child is also having some issues, so we want for that, and I am also
Obvious,
preparing
ma'am.
for some
Obvious,
jobs. Yeah.
obvious, ma'am. You should try for the new newspaper. But, ma'am, I must say that beside the new newspaper, you can also try the old newspaper also, because it has the lot of information, so that in the old days they don't the people don't have the mobile or the internet basis, so the lot of information the newspaper had printed.
But I
So
don't
ma'am, it will
want to
help
buy
you
the
for
old
that.
newspaper. I want the new one because I have nothing to do with the old news and all. So no, I'll not
Ma'am,
go
you
for
are
it.
giving any, ma'am, you're willing to give that competitive exam, so there are a lot of MCQs and questions, like past 10 years or 20 years questions, and it will help you, ma'am.
Okay, but we need the current affairs. Current affairs is not
Yeah.
about the past and all.
Yeah, but in current newspaper, they are not they've not given all the information, because they think that we have internet and also it will help, but not every time internet can help, ma'am. Because there are the old days, there was very much information were given to the old newspaper. So ma'am, it will help you to give you that, to gather you the knowledge more and more, so that you can pursue your exam and crack it for by one chance.
Okay, I got your point. Okay, moving on to the next question. Your next question is you'll have to sell a wired headphone. So I already have a wireless headphone. So now you'll have to convince me to buy a wired.
Okay. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you for asking. And welcome to my shop. How can I help you, ma'am?
Yeah, I need some wireless headphones only. I'm using one. And see, I had some wired headphones, but I didn't found it nice. So I want to buy another wireless headphone only. So can you show me the
Yes, ma'am,
best
sure.
quality?
Yes, ma'am. There are a lot of best qualities wireless headphones, but ma'am, you should try this wired headphone. It's a Sony's new wired headphone they had launched, and it's just amazing basic sound quality. It's just amazing. It has a mind-blowing features. You can
Yeah, I
try
think
it
it
for
gets
once, ma'am.
torn. No, it gets torn very quickly. I have one which is not perfect, so I don't want to buy. I have had wireless are far more better.
Yes, ma'am,
Because
but there is
yes,
an issue that if your mobile software sometime like if they don't allow to update or anything else, so it can be the issue to connect the wireless headphone to your with your mobile. So that will be the problem. Even the more and more problem is that if you have to charge for the full time and all, if you sometime you forget, and if your electricity has gone, so it will be the great problem, ma'am. You can't use that wireless headphone on that time. The wired headphone, trust me, it's a Sony's headphone and it will be the best headphone.
okay. So what's the
At least
price?
it starts from 799, ma'am.
So how can you say a 799 wired headphone is perfect? Because we have lots of wireless iPhone earpods. Yes, those are the best. So Sony is not that perfect brand. I do. How can I trust Sony and how can I trust your
Yeah, because
799?
ma'am, Sony has a feature of Dolby audio. And Dolby Audio is one of the best feature in the audio. It's also using among the cinema screens and also the Dolby Audio. Even Sony has now implemented these features in every headphones.
Okay, fine. So now we'll have some academic questions. Okay. So can you tell me the shape of rainbow? What's the shape of rainbow?
It's a semi-oval, I mean the half circle almost.
Oh, it's a circle. Okay. So
Not
next,
circle, half oval.
no, the correct answer is it's a circle. The shape of rainbow
Okay.
is a circle. Okay. Okay. Now tell
Okay.
me what is photosynthesis? Do you have any idea about photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis. Yeah, I had read it in my childhood days. The photosynthesis about the leaf that that make food by the sunlight and the chlorophyll. The process calls the photosynthesis.
Okay. What is the Newton's second law?
No, I can't get the answer.
Do you know the theory of relativity?
Theory of relativity. No.
Okay. Have you heard E is equal to mc squared before?
Equals to
Mc squared.
yeah, I had learned in 5th semester, probably
So
in
what's that called? That particular equation has a specific name. Do you know the name? Do you have any idea who introduced that formula?
E equals to mc square. Yes.
By
Uh,
whom?
it comes under the financial statement analysis. I had learned this.
It's the theory of relativity, okay, by Albert Einstein. Theory of relativity, which I
Okay.
have. Okay.
But we
Okay,
also
so
have that E equals to mc square, so that's why it was a bit much confusing. The
yeah,
budget and
okay.
budgetary control, we have the topic, and it's also as a E equals to mc square.
Okay. Okay, so now we'll have some BDA question. Okay, so where you'll be the BDA, that is Business Development Executive of Byju's, and I'll be your customer. So your first situation is my child's eyesight is weak only. So why will I go for Byju's? So how will you convince me to take Byju's? Because it will
Sorry,
affect his
ma'am.
eyes.
Can you please repeat, ma'am? Your voice
Okay.
is cracking a little bit.
Okay. So my child has a weak eyesight. Okay, am I clear now? Okay.
Yes.
So how will you convince me to take Byju's? Because if he learns using the Byju's step, it will affect his eyes more. So as a BDA, how will you convince me?
Byju's has an excellent feature that they are given all the notes in their apps. Even, ma'am, you can print it and your child will not have any kind of eyesight problem around. You can read
There
it
will
by
be
printing it
thousands
also.
of notes. How will I print all those notes? And I think it will be a problem for my child. Even he is not giving proper, it means concentration to his studies. He hates book study. That's why we thought of giving him the virtual education. So, but now you are telling to print all the notes. So it's not possible
No,
to
print
print
not all the notes. There must be, even we don't read that all the books
Okay,
or
but I will
hold the
print the
notes
notes.
every
What
time.
about the concept? How will he get the concept? I can print the notes, you will get the answers,
Okay.
but to learn the concept, to understand the concept, he needs a teacher, he needs to see
Yeah,
some videos or not. There must be some virtual platform. So how will he study? And why should I give him?
ma'am, there is not necessary that he has to learn through the video call. We can teach them, teach his or her through the mobile call also. Means the normal
Then what
call,
is the
means
need
voice call.
of taking Byju's? He can study from his school only. What's the need of Byju's? Why Byju's
Because
then?
Byju's has the best notes, and in the virtual
For
days.
notes, he have to watch the tablet. He have to use the tablet.
Hmm.
So is there any feature which will protect his eyes, or I mean, is there anything for which I should go for Byju's eye? There must be
he
something.
can he can has that protective goggle that will help him from these rays and all, harmful
But
rays and all.
if I am providing a lot of money to Byju's, why will I buy some protective googles and all this? My child will, no, it will harm me.
Because not only for Byju's, ma'am, nowadays we have to learn everything virtually. So if you buy that Google, it will help your child father to study better.
But
It will help.
then I'll have to pay, pay a lot of money, double money. So then I'll not go for Byju's. He can buy that
Ma'am,
Googles and
what
he
we
can
can,
concentrate to his school platform only. School is also providing live class. Then why is there, means why the need of Byju's is there? Schools are also providing virtual classes. Schools are also, conducting the online classes. So I can give him the Googles and he can attend the school classes. Why Byju's then? Okay, so move on to the next question. Okay, so next situation is, so you have come to my house to conduct the counseling session, and my neighbors also came at that point. So suddenly the neighbors started that don't go for Byju's, it wasted our child career, don't waste. So our child just failed in the class after studying from Byju's. Now how will you convince me in that situation?
okay. Firstly, ma'am, whatever they're telling, maybe it's wrong or right, I don't know. But one thing is that Byju's has the best notes, and there is no wrong information in the notes. I mean, there are a lot of helping hand books in the market nowadays that they are providing the wrong information throughout the book, so that students are facing a lot of issues. But Byju's has given all the right information in their notes, and it has a basic, quite handsome summary amount of notes so that student can understand it easily. So there will be
Only,
no
do you
issue.
think only notes will do? Do you think only notes will do a student to score good marks? If notes would have been do, then the student would not have been failed. So why he failed by studying? And there must be some problems in Byju's because the student failed and the guardian is also complaining, and you can't deny that. You can't deny
Yes,
the fact.
yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
notes
ma'am.
will
But we
not
don't
be a
know,
proper thing.
ma'am. We don't know that your neighbor's son or daughter had learned properly or not. We don't know that. Maybe they didn't learn it properly, so that's why they are failing. And most of the guardians just push the all the allegations to the teachers or to the apps or to the notes, but they can't see their son or daughter are not also studying. So that will be the problem, ma'am, I think. And I also think that your child is one of the best student and one of the top student of the school. So I think your son or daughter could catch it easily.
Okay, I got your point. Okay, so now my next question to you is that my child, I have a child and he spends most of his time in playing games in the mobile. So if I give him the Byju's tab, means Byju's code, there will be the tablet. So what he will do, he will spend his half of the time in playing games and exploring that tab. So he will not focus on his study. So it will hamper his, study. So in that case, how will you convince me to take Byju's? Because already he spends a lot of time in playing mobile games and all. I'm just fed up with him now.
Okay, ma'am. So we are using smartphones nowadays, and there are a lot of options like app lock and all. So, ma'am, you can lock by your pin, and it will kept like absolutely safe and secured. So you
Yeah, I
can
will do
lock
it
that
with
app.
my phone. But what about the Byju's tab? If we purchase the Byju's whole feature, there will be the tab. So in the tab also, my child will do the same. He will play games. He'll explore and he will do nothing. He will connect the YouTube. Yes, he will watch videos and there he will not spend any single time in studying. So what should I do?
Ma'am,
Go for
ma'am,
Byju's.
you can lock each and every app separately, and you can only open that Byju's app. And
So is
Byju's
it
has a
like that? We should. How will we lock the app? So is there any feature of automatic locking? Because it would have helped us. But if we buy,
nowadays the smartphones have the app lock settings, so that you can lock each and every app with your pin, so that your child even can't even open that app without your consent or without the pin.
okay. But if suppose I am not there in the home, then how will my child study? Because you all says no that Byju's make us today independent learner. How will he become independent learner if he has to depend upon us only? If we are to
No, no,
only unlock.
no, 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 no,
You
no,
only
no, no.
say that we have to give the pin and
You can lock that gaming app separately. You can unlock the Byju's. Just let
so
it be
we need to
unlocked.
do that. So
Yes.
do we need to do that in that app? So it's nothing like automatic app lock and there's nothing like that facility.
No, but in the you can go to the settings and make the lock secured throughout all the apps, and
So that means
not
the
through
tab
the
is very
Byju's.
confusing and the tab is very problematic to use now. I think
Ma'am,
it will be a
that's not a problem. Nowadays the smartphone and tablets or any kind of smart gadget has a lot of features. We just know how to use it, and we just applied it through a proper way. So there are app lock settings. So ma'am, those apps which are disturbing, we can lock it for a pin, and which are the needful app, we can remain it unlocked, so that your son and daughter could not have any kind of problem.
okay. So yeah, why should we hire it?
Okay. So um, first of all, I already told it previously that number one, that I have the commitment, and whatever I just committed to myself, to that company or to that any kind of any individual person, I'll just do it by hook or by crook. And if I join to my workplace, it's my second home. It will be my second home also, and I'll give the best performance to my workplace. It's my commitment to do the last for my workplace.
Okay, so it's a very hectic job. Okay, so you'll have to work almost every day. Only Mondays will be off. So no Sunday, no weekend will be there, no holiday. So how will you handle the stress and why you want to go for that job even after knowing that it's such a hectic?
Ma'am,
There will be a lot of targets and all.
I think job can't be stressful if you love the work. All I have to do, I have to love my work. And I guess that my seniors will also guide me a lot. And they are not like the strict teachers or the strict parents. They will just guide me. So I can do that work smoothly. then why the job will be so much stressful to me, ma'am?
So why Byju's? Why Byju's?
I had listened from the lot of places that Byju's has the best guidance ever. And as a fresher, I just want to learn a lot of things. And I guess that no other company can guide me better than Byju's right now.
Okay. So what are your salary expectations?
Ma'am, that depends on the work timing. I mean, I have to work 9 to 5 every day.
Yeah. So what are your salary expectations? What do you expect from the company? How much you want?
Ma'am, I wouldn't say anything because it's my
You
it
don't
will be
have
the
any expectation.
no, it
You
will
want
be
money.
my no, I want money. Obviously, everyone needs money, but there is an like sentimental issue that it's my first work and first job. So I know that whatever Byju's will give me, it will be sufficient to just run a family
So
for a monthly. I have
how
that
good
expectation from
okay.
Byju's.
Okay, so how good you are at convincing people? If I ask you to rate yourself on a scale of 10, how much would you rate yourself in convincing people?
I'll rate myself 0 because I always think that I don't know anything. At first I listen to the
So
people,
okay,
then I
so
just start
if you are not good at
convincing.
convincing, okay, if you are not
Okay.
confident enough, and if you are not good at convincing, then why you are here? Means why you want to go for Byju's? Because the job of BDA is all about convincing the people. If you
Yes,
cannot convince
even
them,
after no, ma'am, even after 10 years, if I achieved a lot of, if I gathered a lot of knowledges, then also I'll rate myself as 0. Because
that's
in
not a
marketing
positive
and
answer,
sales,
right? So how will people know
okay.
that you are good at convincing? It will create a negative impact.
No, ma'am,
Okay,
at
so
first I'll communicate every time. I'll try to communicate every time. And as if I'm doing an internship in college Shala right now, and my senior had told me that every time you just have to listen to the people at first. Like you don't know anything.
yeah, you have to become
You're
a good
absolutely
listener, but
yes,
that
good
doesn't
listener
mean
and
that
all.
you will be, but you will have to be a good speaker too. Until and unless you don't communicate, don't convince, don't communicate
So,
with the people. So how will
if
you
I rate
become a good?
myself as 0, if I rate myself as 0, so each and every time my inner self will push me up that do something else, learn anything new, learn anything. But if I rate myself as 5 at the first, so my inner self is I know everything. I don't need to learn anything. But there is every time an updatation and all. So I have to learn every time. So that's why every time I'll put myself as 0 so that my inner self will push me up to learn new things.
Okay, so we are done here with the interview. Now we'll have the feedback.